When you watch this video, you will not again discard the leaves of the pineapple. 2 molecules isolated from an extract of pineapple leaves appear to be effective in preventing the growth of various types of cancer. Tropical pineapple has a large proportion of vitamins, mineral salts, organic acids and fiber. All this helps to quench hunger, prevents constipation, normalizes the intestinal flora and prevents obesity. Pineapple also contains antioxidants that act against free radicals, so it fights chronic diseases and decreases the risk of cancer. Researchers at the Queensland Institute of Medical Research discovered 2 molecules in an extract of the pineapple stem, which can lead to the development of new cancer drugs from a new perspective. The extract studied, bromelain, is an enzyme widely used to soften the meat and to lighten the beer. Bromelain from the stem contains chemicals that interfere with the growth of tumor cells and slow blood clotting. At the same time, it causes the body to produce substances that fight pain and swelling, inflammation. Scientific studies suggest that the enzyme bromelain, of the type found in the pineapple stem, can be effective in killing cancer cells without affecting healthy cells. Both the fruit of the pineapple and its leaves have enzymes called bromelain, but they have somewhat different affinities. Fruit bromelain has a broad spectrum for protein breakdown, as does bromelain from the stem, but the latter has a strong preference for specific protein chains other than fruit. According to the 2005 study at the Queensland Medical Research Institute, one of the molecules of bromelain in the stem, called CCS, blocks a protein called RAS, which is defective in about 30% of all cancers. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.